Dear students, let us move to another question. Example number 6 says, find the numerical value. Find the numerical value of the quantity. Look at here, it is very important. This is a ministerial question, okay? It is ministerial. I mean, we have to focus about this question. He says, sine, in the brackets, we have sine 45, sine times secant 45 minus times 60 total 30 plus 2 secant 2 cosecant of 90. He says, find the numerical quantity, numerical value. Find the numerical value of these quantities. Sine 45, secant 45 minus tan 60 cotangent 30 plus 2 cosecant 90. 2 cosecant 90. What does he wants me to find this value? What does it equal? Okay, now, dear students, so as to solve this type of questions, so as to solve any type of these questions, I have to find the value of every bracket separately. يعني حتى القيمة العددية هذا المقدار. طبعا هذا السؤال مهم وتكرر يزال 3 مرات حتى أطلع القيمة العددية أحسبها على حدة، على حدة، على حدة، على حدة، وعلى حدة وأعوضها. راح نجي become return solution. Now, sine of 45, sine of the number of the sine of the angle 45, it equals 1 divided by the square root of 2. Now, I want to find secant of 45. The secant of the angle 45. As I told you previously, I don't have the direct value of secant. Thus, I will go and find it from, because the secant equals 1 over cosine of the same angle. Okay? It equals, the secant of an angle equals 1 over the cosine of same angle. I mean, secant of 45 equals 1 over cosine of 42. 1 over square root of 2. Okay? The denominator of the denominator is multiplied by the numerator. Square root of 2 times 1. I mean secant of 45 equals square root of 2. I have got these two values, dear students. I have found this and this. Okay? Now, I want to find tan of 60. Tan of 60. Tan of 60 equals square root of 3. Because the term is obtained by dividing the sine over the cosine. The sine of 60 is square root over 3 divided by 2. And the cosine is 1/2. I will cancel the 2 with the 2 which are in the denominators. This will stay square root over 3. I have also found this value. Now I can and find the value of tan 30. How? Now, tan of 30 equals the cotan. I don't have the cotan directly. I must go to the corresponding value. It is 1 over tan of 30. Okay? 1 over tan of 30. 1 over square root over 3. Okay? Now, I repeat, cotan of 30. I don't have the value of directly of cotan of 30. Thus, I will go and find the corresponding quantity. It is 1 over tan of 30. Tan of 30 is 1 over square root of 3. Where is it? Now, the denominator will be multiplied with the numerator. Square root of 3 times 1. Cotan of 30 equals also square root of 3. I mean, I have got this value. Okay? I will find them and apply them instead of. Now, cosecant of 90. Cosecant do I have cosecant? No, I don't have, mister. I have 1 over cosine of sorry. 1 over sine of 90, which equals 1 over sine of 90 is 1. That means 1 over 1, 1. I have got this also. Now, I will substitute all the values, each in its place. I mean, now, sine of 45, secant of 45 minus tan of 60 cotan of 30 plus 2 cosecant of 90 equals. Look, this brackets means that there is a multiplication and there is a multiplication. Okay? I mean, sine of 45. How much is it? 1 over 1 over square root of 2 times secant of 45. Where is it? It is square root of 2 minus tan of 60. Tan of 60 square root of 3 times cotan of 30. It is also square root of 3. Square root of 3 plus 2 times cosecant of 90. It is 1. 2 times 1. I will. Do you see this? Do you see this? Understand this, dear students? Now, I will cancel all the similar values. This with this. That equals 1. Why? Here is 1. 1 times 1, 1. Minus square root of 3. What would I get when I multiply it with itself? 3 with the root. Plus 2 times 1. 2. 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2 plus 2, that equals 0. All these efforts, we have got the result of 0. Do you see the mathematics? How it is amazing? we have stressed ourselves to find all these values. At last, we have got the quantity is 0. Okay? Do not be 0 in your life, okay? Be brave. If you want me to re-explain anything, just message me, dear students, okay? Now, I have to. This is the final solution. See you in the next exams, inshallah ta'ala.